Have you seen those gorgeous Instagram ads for Philip and Megan London lately? The brand promises luxury fashion at shockingly low prices, and the photos look stunning. But is Philip and Megan London actually legit, or is it just another online scam? Let's get straight to the facts. First, the Trustpilot reviews are eye-opening. The company holds a low 2.0 out of 5 stars, and get this, every single review is a 1-star rating. Most customers say their orders never arrived, or if they did, the items looked nothing like the website photos. And if you try to reach out for help? Crickets. Customer support is basically non-existent. Here's another red flag. Despite the London branding, your returns are headed all the way to China. That's a classic trick used by many questionable social media shops. They want you to think they're local, but really, it's a global game of hide-and-seek with your money. They also claim to have over 2,000 happy customers and a near-perfect 4.7 rating on their site. But on independent review sites, the story is totally different. Trustpilot is flooded with complaints about missing packages, poor quality, and impossible returns. So, here's my advice. If you've already ordered and something feels off, don't wait. Contact your bank or use PayPal's dispute tool to try for a chargeback. And if you're just window shopping, maybe skip Philip and Megan London and save yourself the headache. Shopping online can be awesome, but always double-check reviews and trust your gut. Stay smart, stay safe, and don't let clever ads trick you into a fashion nightmare.